Juan de la Cruz is a suspect in a case involving a dispute suicide note. The note was found at the scene and his handwriting using a Faber-Castell ballpen on yellow pad paper. Here's the content of the notes. I'm sorry, I had to do this. Please water the plants and care for my dog, Moondance, I love you. However, the family of the victims claimed that the handwriting does not match the victim's usual handwriting style. Because of this, one is requested to prove handwriting sample requested standard or for comparison. Your Honor, the suspect Juan de la Cruz was asked to prove handwriting sample under control condition. He was instructed to use similar handwriting instrument, specifically a ball pen, and to write on yellow pad paper to match the requested documents. He was asked to repeatedly write the exact content of the notes and observe natural handwriting variation. Upon examination, the following handwriting characteristic was observed. Similar letter formation, specifically in words like sorry and love. Consists slant and spacing. Similar pressure poke pattern. These features were compared between the questioned note and the requested handwriting sample. These findings are important because they help determine whether the suicide note was written by the victim or possibly fabricated by another person. The similarities between the questioned document and Juan Carlos' handwriting suggests a strong possibility that he authored the note. In conclusion, the handwriting analysis indicate that question note shared significant similarities with handwriting of the suspect Juan de la Cruz. This evidence is relevant in determining the authenticity of the suicide note. And that's all. Thank you.